So hello, today I will show you how to make your wireframe look a little bit better than, well, this. So, I will show you that today, so buckle up your seatbelts. So the first thing we're going to make is of course a copy, why not? And we're going to delete all the materials because we don't need them and make a new one, make it white. White normally looks the best, so yeah, then we're going to add a wireframe in the beautiful modifiers. And yeah, we can see there's a bunch of stuff here. I don't know why it is, but normally it goes away when you just set it to 0 and then go up. So let's see, how thick are we going to make it? I think this looks kind of decent. So you're probably asking, why do I want that? The answer is, it's about portfolios and stuff like that. If you want to show somebody wireframe, this looks way better than anything else. So we're going to do the same for everything else here. So we're going to just duplicate it with Shift D, and then we're going to remove the material, add a new one, and then add a beautiful wireframe. So there we go, a wireframe. I will do now the rest of these stuff, so you will just not look at that. So I will be back in a second. There we go. Now it's looking a lot better than this.